And the Ekiti state government is championing food justice to boost agriculture and promote sustainable organic food consumption. This commitment was highlighted by Abiodun Oyeleye, Director General of the Office of Development Partnership, during a 5-day youth boot camp at Ikogose Warm Springs Resort. He emphasized Ekiti's goal to lead in promoting healthy diet through improved agricultural practices and youth engagement. Oluwafemi Akimbodi, Executive Director of Cappa, linked rising non-communicable diseases in Nigerian families to high consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks. Cappa's Assistant Director, Zikora Ibe, urged for laws to regulate unhealthy food marketing and enforce front-of-pack labeling. Bootcamp participants pledged to promote food justice and healthier eating in their communities.
This is a very good program that educates the youth about the intake, the food intake. And as we all know, Ekiti State have a youth-friendly governor. And one of the first pillars of Mr. Governor of Ekiti State, that's Mr. Abiodun Abayomi Oyebanji, is youth development. And that's the evidence that we have seen people coming to the state, youth organizing youth camp in our state.
Our advocacy is also for the Nigerian government to begin to have guidelines on, to enforce the guidelines on sodium reduction, the guidelines on the reduction of the consumption of salt, and then for the appropriate agencies to mandate front-of-pack warning labels so that Nigerians can know the content of what they eat, so that Nigerians can know that these products contain nutrients of concern, things that you don't want to eat. The situation we have in Nigeria today is that Nigerians don't even know what they eat. So essentially, we think that Nigeria needs to take the issue of healthy food policies much more serious across those nutrients of concern.
Just to state that this intervention is a structured one that sits at the heart of public health, governance and youth agency. And as you are aware, we've brought participants, youth participants from across Nigeria's 6 geopolitical zones. And like we said, the issue of non-communicable diseases is on the rise in the country. And public health can no longer be treated as an individual action.
First things first, I'm going to use my media as a media person to talk about healthy living, food justice, and how youth can also contribute to make sure that they encourage other people in their spaces to make healthier choices. Because when we talk about healthier choices, it starts with you as an individual, because if you are not conscious of your own health, then somehow you'll be able to translate that information to another person.